What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So I got these text racks here and I haven't really done anything with them yet, but in the video I mentioned that I could probably utilize this for like my custom stuff, and well, I haven't really completely started doing customs yet, so I think it's important that I do get that stuff going. So in this video what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just kind of go into my huge mess that's in front of me and pull out my custom stuff and fill this up. So I'm kind of beginning the process, and I was just gonna do it by myself, but I am a YouTuber after all, so I might as well film it and bring you guys along. And I know that some of you really enjoy these types of videos where it's not a hunt and it's just kind of hanging out with me. So yeah, let's get started, I guess. This is where all my stuff is for customs. Yep. Now, this is not what I thought it was going to be, because I'm actually kind of looking for all the cars I have for customs. But anyways, these are the loose cars, so that works too. Start pulling this stuff out of here. So this box, these are likely cars I didn't finish yet, I think. Yeah, this one feels right. Yep, okay, so these are a mixture of new cars that are waiting to be customized, I guess, or just sample cars that I can use, and old ones to fix and restore. So, really no difference between them. These are just ones that have been opened. But yeah, something like this, it's in really good shape. However, I think it deserves like a remake. A redo. And I know some of you actually told me a very long time ago to leave this be, but I'm sorry. I just think like painted, I don't know. I really want to do a white Ferrari. I started one, but I lost the interior to it, so I never finished it. So yeah, that's basically what we're doing here. We're just going through cars that are supposed to be used for customs. And I've collected quite a few of them, as you can see. You'd think that these were actually cars of my own, but nope. These are just likely duplicates that I've purchased and opened with intentions of customizing. So we got a lot of Skylines here. I know there's a lot of Civics too. Actually, you know what? I know what this is. This is good too, because I can put my not finished cars in here. So this one doesn't really count. I tried to make a Proton look good, guys. Alright? I tried. So I guess I don't know, maybe we'll do this one for unfinished customs. I'm now just realizing how important that actually is, because I have a whole box somewhere. A whole box full of cars waiting to be customized. I never finished. You can do wheels in here too. Oh my gosh. Okay, we'll do that last. Right now I'm just focusing on cars. But yeah, you know, you're along for the ride. I could do it by myself. I do enjoy making other videos besides hunts, guys, just so you know. Let's see, we got a couple more here. This is like a Oldsmobile Aurora or something, right? Yeah. Don't ask me why. I thought it would be a cool one. These are my favorite to do, the really destroyed ones, because they're so satisfying when they're like freshened up. That'll be a good one too. Got a 350Z here. That would be a good one. If there's any you guys want to see me do, please tell me. This is the first step of getting things ready to go. That's like a Mustang with a body kit. So yeah, for those who just want to hang out with me and watch me basically organize Hot Wheels, that's why I'm making this video. There's a F1 GTR. We've done one of these before. It's actually one of the first customs I ever did. It came out great. Not ever, but on the channel. I've been sent wheels. I've had them for so long. I've been not putting it off, but ooh, this is going to be tricky with one hand. Ooh, this one's cool. 370. I don't even remember getting that one. Here's a Celica. I've done that before. Beat up Ford GT. That was probably just it will look good customized. Ooh, here's one. I think this is from when I was a kid. Yeah, that'd make a good one too. So yeah, we have a large choice here. And prior to this, in my old spot, the rental house I had, I just had a dresser full of these. You've more than likely at some point seen me say, this will make a great custom, or I'm going to restore this for every one of these cars here. Especially this one. This is from when I was a kid. I've been wanting to do this forever. I think this one's going to turn out great when I finally get around to it. But yeah, a lot of these came from the flea market with intentions of making them look better, and other ones just were pickups from a hunt. This is probably from the 2010 era when I started collecting again. So many random cars in here. There's a Mustang. We've done a few of these Mustangs, and they've all come out wonderful. Lisa really enjoys doing those. Here's a Ferrari California. I actually had done one in red, but it didn't really come out exciting, so... Another little Porsche here. That's a cool one. Probably a little GT2, I think. Wait, this is the Bugatti from when I was a kid. I don't know what the other one is. A Cadillac, perhaps? I should have looked. A little truck. This is a Mazda. Datsun. I think we just got that in a premium, didn't we? Here's another Mustang, a little bit newer, I think. Another Mustang. A little Fiat. I did a Fiat for one of my subscribers. It's been a while now. You know what? I'm just going to skip those back rows for now since I'm holding the camera too. So yeah, hanging out with me. It's pretty cool that I get to do this with you guys. I feel very blessed to pretty much do what, you know, most people do with their cars, but I have the ability to share it with you guys and build a community. Yeah, this is a good one. I think this is like a first editions or something. I feel like maybe not, but nonetheless, it's cool. I got another box here. Oh, wait a minute. What are these? Yeah, that's right. These are all completed. Well, most of these are for sale, so if anyone's interested in any of these, there's the Ford GT. So these ones are done. Nissan Nismo. That's like a GTR that I made, Nismo-ish. Integra. You've probably seen these if you've been watching my channel for a while. Supra. This one's for myself. This is probably the only custom I've made that I have decided I will keep forever. But yeah, the Integra, GTR, and then this Porsche looks great. Oh, that's the Ford GT. That came out really cool too. Let's open up this Porsche. Yeah, that came out pretty good. It's got the color shifting paint. It's definitely a nice model. So yeah, I mean, let me know if anyone's interested. Yeah, we got a lot of cars. Whoa, what's in that? That's paint. I could tell by the sun. But again, we can also use some of these trays for stuff like that. It doesn't have to be cars, which is really cool and certainly really useful. And here's another chocolate bar. This one's taped shut. Hold on, let me open it. There we go. I actually did one of these too in lime green. That's one of the cars I never finished doing. An Evo. Did one of those. So here's another. I think this is supposed to be like a 458 or something. I wonder if they'll remodel that one too. Here's an NSX. Got a lot of these white Civics. I don't know if they're in this box or another one. Civic. Jaguar. Reventon. And then I got these at the flea market. This is those are the same, aren't they? Yeah. Another Evo. Yeah, it's pretty crazy. I just realized I can put the cars I didn't finish in there. This one's cool too. This is what is this? This is a BMW, I think, right? I almost kind of want to keep this one. That's super unique, so I'll put that aside. Porsche 918. Another little Godzilla. Here's a cool one. That definitely needs to be restored. I haven't really seen many of the crazy beat up cars yet. I don't know where those are. So, here's a GTR. Another Supra. There's another GTR. This is an old school one. R32. Zonda. McLaren 720. I haven't done a custom on that. And then a Sesta Elemento. Okay. Here's another box. Yeah, I got lots of cars in here. I got a lot of these Civics. I thought it'd be a great idea to get a bunch of those to customize. I got tons of them. Same with the, not this one, but I got a lot of the Integras. Another Reventon. This is a C10, right? Yep, C10. Mini. Another 959. Custom Civic. That would make a cool one. I wanted to do this plain. Another Civic. Another NSX. And another Civic. Okay, I've located the box I was talking about. This is... Most of these cars have probably come from the flea market, destroyed bin, or stuff like that. Almost all of these in this are going to be just destroyed. So if you see anything you want to see redone, let me know and I can move them to a different pile. Just comment below. I don't know how many of these are crushed. Looks like a couple of them might be. Here's a Testarossa. I think that's a Testarossa. Pikes Peak Celica. Ooh. Yo. Don't even know. Is that a Bentley? Maserati. Yeah, some of these desperately need to get done. I wish I had more time to do all these things. But who knows? Maybe now that these are out, I can start banging out some cars. I will be making a custom tutorial. I know I've been promising for a long time, but it's coming, guys. It's coming. I really kind of was waiting till I moved in here to do it. This is from when I was a kid. I still have all those cars, too, when I was a kid in a box somewhere. I wonder if I'm going to even have room for all of these. Do I even want to put them all in here? Here's an old Viper. Yikes. Is this mine? Did I try to paint it with... I don't know. I bet you when I was a kid I tried to paint it or something. Because a good amount of these, a few of them anyways, are from when I was a kid. Only a couple so far, but newer Miata made it into the mix there. That's newer too. Wow. Yeah, this is cool. This is cool. I'm starting to wonder if I really do want to put them on here. I guess maybe there's more than I thought, because we filled up quite a few already. But I guess it's better than just not filling them up at all. Ooh. F50. I think I have two of these. One of them was in better shape. So that must be the one that's not in better shape. Here's an old Porsche. Yeah, I really, really, really enjoy bringing these old cars back to life. The Renault. There's something special about fresh coats of paint on old cars. There's a Ferrari. That is not a Hot Wheel, though. I don't know what that is, but it's certainly a Ferrari. Alright, I think that's, there's a 355? 355, yep. See, I know my cars. I don't know what the heck that is. Corvette. Tesla. Alright. I think that's enough for now. There's another Ferrari. We'll put that in. Alright, so this will be kind of fun. Let's start tossing in these wheels. I definitely got to get more of these like normal wheels because I've used a lot of them, but I still have a good amount left. And these are wheels I'll probably never use, honestly. Just probably could throw those away, but we won't for now. Interiors to cars. Yeah, this is actually really cool tools. Might as well put those in a separate spot. Yo, this is so legit right here, guys. Oh my god, I'm loving it.